Hi everybody! Today's an exciting day. We're going to be making mocktails with our juicer. Namawell has invited me, because I'm an affiliate with them, to make mocktails. This is my setup. I've got my Zoom ready, my juicer, my Nama J2 juicer is ready, and all of this is going to be taped as I'm learning how to make mocktails in my juicer today. This is so exciting. One of the most important things is to always have your fruits and vegetables already prepared, peeled, washed, and ready to go. It's also important to read the recipe ahead of time and have everything ready. Recipe for the POM-TINI is in the description below. I love the Nama J2 juicer because it's hands-free and I can just walk away while it's doing its job. Look at how much juice is coming out, and I have a pulp screen just in case. The other voices you're going to be hearing are from my class. Add your pear juice to a cocktail glass, add an ice cube, and top it off with some sparkling water.
Multitudes of different types of sparkling waters. Awesome. Okay, thank you for noting all those. That's amazing. I see that there's quite a few people that are ready to taste.
This Nama J2 juicer is such a time saver, and it's so easy to clean and assemble. And with attachment accessories, it's more than a juicer. You can make smoothies, sauces, milks, and sorbets. And the best part, zero waste. The J2 extracts more from your produce, so you get more juice and less pulp. One of the things that I did not do was peel my cucumber, and it went a little bit darker. So hint, peel your cucumber.
Tini glass. If you don't have a cocktail shaker, you can always use, kind of shake it up with the ice. And
This is the POM-TINI.
our POM-TINI, anything goes. It's
Oh
just
my
the
gosh.
vision that you have for it. This is put a blank canvas, and we'll have Tori kind of help us
So
with some.
good.
Is everyone ready to pour into their glass? Can't wait to see everyone's color, because I actually took the skin off of my cucumber that time around.
I didn't. Mistake.
I just learned that trick a month ago, you guys.
Oh yeah.
You're so bright now. Didn't know that that makes the color so much brighter. It really makes a big difference. It does.
Especially when it says in the recipe, peel the cucumber.
To be honest, we put that in there. It wasn't in there, and we were like, "Why is this color coming out so bright?" And so when we shot it, they were like, "Oh, we took the peel off." We're like, "We'll put that in the recipe."
Next time. and there will be a next time. Cheers, everybody.
Big taste test. Cheers, everyone.
I don't know if you can see my lemon twist.
For this recipe.
This is the citrus spritz recipe. Oranges, grapefruit, green apples, and orange bitters. Nama's juicers are cold press, which means it keeps the nutrients intact.
And then scatter the pomegranate seeds over the top. Then I close it through pomegranate seeds. It just made in the drink, and it just smells delicious. That's really cool. The flavor. So anything on our tongue, which sometimes makes us be like.
This is the citrus spritz with a sprig of rosemary and a slice of orange. Next is the pear Bellini, and I topped it with a slice of my dehydrated pear. And here's my POM-TINI. It didn't look as pink as it should have because I didn't peel my cucumber, but it was RAWlicious anyway. So here are the 3 mocktails I made today. Cheers! Use promo code VeRAWonica for 10% off any Nama product or accessory.